Okay, welcome back. Next session. So, Vadma, we are going to discussing about that means Vadma, grass ecosystem. The grass ecosystem, which are mainly depends upon the Vadma abiotic and biotic. Abiotic factors we are discussed. Biotic factors, producers, consumers, secondary consumers. Producers meant grass. Consumers means grazing animals like cow, deer, rabbit, etc. Okay, that is what the insects, termites, millipedes are there. Secondary means that carnivores feeding on herbivores. Carnivores feeding on herbivores like frogs, snakes, frogs, lizards. These frogs eating insects, termite, millipedes. Snake also eating insects, termite, millipedes, etc. Okay, please mute yourself, Ma. Okay, and let us finally decomposers. What are the decomposers are they? So these decomposers, microbes including fungi like mucor, aspergillosis, and rhizopus, and etc. Some bacteria and actinomycetes also, which are the decomposers. Decomposers means what? For example, lizard, frog, snakes, animal, any other animal going to die. That particles are going to I can't understand Varalakshmi. So it will be what happened, ma? For example, this type of animals are going to die. In that the case, what happened, ma? Here, these decomposers are coming to reach, okay, and to decompose that type of debris particles, right? And next, what about desert ecosystem? What is it, ma? Desert ecosystem. Let us so what, ma? We already completed forest and grass. Now let us coming to my desert ecosystem. Desert ecosystem occupy nearly 17% of the land, and nearly it is rain falling annually. Only 25 centimeters of the rain falling is there. This species, the species composition of such as an ecosystem varied. Please mute yourself, all of you. If it is not interested, left from the group, left from the class, right? The species composition of such as an ecosystem is varied and typical due to the extreme of temperature and water. Yes. Okay, here then the biotic components like which are completely depends upon the what is that, ma? Voice is not clear because of here because of I'm in village, ma, due to something network problem. Okay, even network problem, of course. Okay, let us okay, now here are the same what is it, ma? Bio ecosystems are there. What type of ecosystems here we are facing? See here also biotic components and abiotic components are there. That means biotic factors like temperature, water, abiotic components, and biotic components are what, like producers, shrubs, especially for bushes, some grasses, and a few trees are present. Okay, here in the desert, what, some consumers, some consumers including animals like reptiles, insects, that means sand reptiles, sand snakes, sand insects which are able to live under the xeric condition. In addition, there are some nocturnal rodents out there because of they are unable to come day and night, right? They are daylight because of this heavy sunlight is there, heavy heat is there. That's why unable to come outside. That's why most of the desert animals are going to nocturnal, like rodents and birds. The camel feeds on that means tender shoots of the plants. The camel feeds on what tender shoot of the plants. And what is it, ma?
Here are some results from the web.
Next, what about decompose? Decompose are very few because of here heavy temperature is there. Decompose are very few because of heavy temperature is there, heavy heat is there. That's why what happened, ma? So a few of the decomposes are living here. So due to pure vegetation, because of the microorganism compulsory depends upon the what that means plants. There is no vegetation. That's why dead amount of organic matter is corresponding less. Because of why here microorganisms are blessed in desert, because of there is no water scarcity. The water scarcity is not there. Temperature is high. In that the case desert, there is no grow of any plants. The plants are there is no vegetation. There is no animals. There is no vegetation. There is no microorganisms. Like there are some fungi and bacteria we are seeing in a different few of the bacteria we are seeing in that place. Okay, for example, we are seeing in the display forest ecosystem. This is what forest ecosystem. The forest ecosystem, huge trees are there in the forest. That means producers, consumers, and primary consumers, secondary, tertiary also. The forest ecosystem we are seeing in the display. The forest ecosystem, we are seeing the plants are, these plants are there. These plants are called producers. The producers eaten by D is like animals. Okay, like animals are there. These are eaten by top carnivores are there. Top carnivores are there. We are seeing it. Okay, now. Whereas in desert, remembering one thing, ma. Okay. Please mute yourself, ma. Hello. So please mute yourself, ma. For example, the grass ecosystem. See here, few grass will be seen here. There is no forest, there is no plants, etc. That means here only deers are we are observing. That means grazing animals. Whereas in desert, but there is no more much amount of the plants. There is no producers. Producers are less in numbers. If the producers are less in numbers, what happened, ma? Primary consumers are less. The primary consumers are less. What happened, ma? Secondary consumers are less. Okay, if the secondary consumers are less, tertiary consumers are more or less. These are not there. Consumers, producers not there. So decompose are very less. Okay, now. So that is called desert ecosystem, right? Let us go to aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem. We already completed natural forest completed, the grass completed, desert completed, and one more natural ecosystem, that is aquatic ecosystem is there. In aquatic ecosystem, remember one thing. Okay. In aquatic ecosystem. So an aquatic ecosystem an ecosystem that exists in water. Okay. So water with an aquatic ecosystem, the environment is watery one. So aquatic ecosystem can be divided into freshwater ecosystem and marine water ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem can be divided into how many types? Three types are there. How many types? Three types. Two types are there. Already we've seen. Okay. What are the three types are there? So what are the two types are there? So you know very well. That is okay. Freshwater ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem such as lakes, rivers, okay, ponds, etc., etc. Okay, and marine water ecosystem, that is sea in rocks, pools are there. These are the marine water ecosystem is there. And pond ecosystem. Yes. Okay, Najma Afroz, yes, thank you. So mainly aquatic two types are there, marine and aquatic freshwater. So now let us go to, we are discussing about freshwater. Pond ecosystem is there. The pond serve as an example freshwater ecosystem. It exhibits a self-sufficient and self-regulating system. Self-sufficient and self-regulating system. Okay. The components of the pond ecosystem are as follows: abiotic, and biotic also there. Okay, what are the abiotic? The chief substance are heat, light, pH, value of water, and the basic inorganic and organic compounds are there. These are all the water sources, pH and light, heat, and inorganic and organic compounds which are there in abiotic components. What are the biotic components in the pond ecosystem? Same here also. Producers, consumers, primary consumers, secondary, tertiary, and last one, what is that? Decomposers we are seeing, right? In this case, in that the case, what are the consumer, what are the producers are there? Producers are autotrophs. What is that, ma? These producers are, what is that? You know very well. Producers are autotrophs are there. Autotrophs. These autotrophs are green plants, some of the photosynthetic bacteria, that means green, blue-green algae. These blue-green algae are one of the most bacteria, archaea bacteria, which is leads to what are photosynthetic reaction. So that is best example of producers. And for example, macrophytes. They are mainly rooted large plants. But rooted, that means which are having rooted large plants are there. So the trapa, typa, nymphe, and etc. Some of the free floating forms like azolla, wolfa, lemma, it is also occur in the pond. So these are the macrophytes are there. These are the autotrophs are there. These are the producers, right? And phytoplanktons are there. But phytoplanktons, what are the phytoplanktons? They are minute in flow. They are minute in structure. They are floating or suspended on the lower plants, like that means Gymnema and Spirogyra. The Gymnema and Spirogyra, these are the phytoplanktons are there in the. Okay, now consumers. What are the consumers we are seeing in the pond ecosystem, right? So what are the consumers we are seeing here? Okay, so that is consumers are heterotrophs. Most of the consumers are herbivorous. Okay, so right, they are eating grass, etc., etc. A few insects, large fishes are carnivorous, feeding on herbivores. Consumers are, they are completely depends upon the herbivores, right? Like large fishes, the large fishes they are eating small fishes like insects, small fishes, etc. The herbivores are further identified as a benthos and zooplanktons. What are the benthos are there? Benthos are the herbivores which are living in the bottom of the water. Okay, and zooplanktons are there. The secondary consumers are carnivores, which includes insects and fish. Okay, tertiary consumers are, okay, they are also carnivores, include some large fishes, feeding on smaller ones. Okay, like producers were completed, consumer primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, decomposers. Okay, after die of these consumers or producers completely, these bacteria, fungi, they are adenomycin to reach there and to decompose that particles, right? So that's why they are the decomposers are there. So at any ecosystem, you can take a forest ecosystem, okay, and terrestrial ecosystem, desert ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, must be right abiotic components and biotic components, right? Okay, abiotic nothing but water, temperature, sunlight, pH, okay, heat, etc. Biotic means what? Producers, consumers. The consumers primary, secondary, tertiary, and decomposers must be right, same. And ocean ecosystem, yes. Okay, today I should send question paper. Don't bother about that. Okay, Fatima, don't send. Don't bother about that. Today I should send the question paper also. Don't bother about that. Okay. And ocean ecosystem. Just to listen these 5 days classes and at least 2 sessions. I would like to take just 1.5 hour take daily. Okay, just to listen the class and write the examination. Right? Okay, na? So the ocean ecosystem. The ocean cover about 70% of the earth. Okay, yesterday I already told you nearly 100% of the land we can take nearly 3/4 occupy the ocean. So that is 70%. Each ocean represents a stable ecosystem. That is what ma stable ecosystem. What is ma lentic? Lotic means what ma it is flowing from one place to other place. Okay. Lentic means it will be stable. The biotic components of an ecosystem as follows, like same producers, consumers, and tertiary consumers and decomposers. These are all the points you must write in the ocean ecosystem. So the ocean ecosystem, remembering one thing, in the ocean ecosystem, here also autotrophs, which includes phytoplanktons such as the diatoms, okay, and dinoflagellates. In addition, brown and red algae, which are present on the ocean surface. Okay, now. So these are the important. Remembering one thing, but what are the producers? What are the producers are there? Come on, tell me on ocean water. Remember one thing: diatoms, dinoflagellates, and brown algae and green algae. Sorry, not green. That means red algae are present. Okay, on the producer on surface of the ocean, right? And consumers. What are the consumers which are living in these? Consumers are herbivores. They're like crustaceans, molluscans, okay, and carnivores like herrings and shades, okay, feeding on herbivores. These are the consumers are there, primary and secondary, and tertiary consumers like it is also includes carnivores like fishes like cod, haddocks that feed on secondary consumers. Tertiary consumers are good. Primary consumer, they are eating herbivores. Secondary consumer, they are eating primary consumers. Tertiary consumer, they are eating secondary consumers. Okay, these are the very, very important. Finally, decomposers. Decomposers are microbes that feed on dead organic matter after dying of tertiary, secondary, primary, or producers, whatever it may be. Compulsory required for the decomposing purpose. Okay, what they require? Come on, tell me. Decomposer they require. Okay, now what are the decomposers like bacteria, fungi, and actinomycetes, right? Okay, so these are the important of ecosystems. Now, next one, cropland ecosystem. Cropland ecosystem. What is that? This cropland ecosystem, which is in nature, we find another kind of ecosystem that is artificial, where man is very much involved in their operation. Okay, this cropland ecosystem, which is constructed, man-made by, that is called cropland ecosystem. They are called cropland ecosystem that are artificial or man-made ecosystem or man-engineered ecosystems are there. Examples, in order to obtain more food, timber, etc., man becomes responsible for the replacement of the natural ecosystem like parks, like gardens, etc. Thus, a cropland ecosystem is an artificial ecosystem that is aimed primarily to grow a single species of one choice. Example, wheat, maize, paddy. These are the ecosystems or cropland ecosystem. This wheat are to be that means cultivated by man, maize cultivated by man, paddy also cultivated by man. So these are the artificial cropland ecosystems. Just example, like let us what are conclusions of today's topic, that is unit of living organisms. What unit of living organisms interacting with their non-living environment in orderly, self-sufficient manner is known as an ecosystem. Is an ecosystem. So the structure of ecosystem basically description of the organism, physical feature of the environment, including what is that, amount of distribution of nutrients in the particular habitat, like biotic and abiotic factors, which are responsible for the ecosystem. Especially for the ecosystem, the sexually functional unit of the ecology, sexually functional unit of the environment is called what ma? Ecosystem. The ecosystem compulsory depends upon the what is that ma? Directly, indirectly depends upon the biotic and abiotic factors, right? For example, see, ecosystem can be broadly divided into mainly two types are there. One is natural and artificial. Natural ecosystems are can be divided into further classified into terrestrial and aquatic. Terrestrial again can be divided into what ma? Terrestrial. Terrestrial again can be divided into what ma? Forest, desert, and grass. And aquatic ecosystem can be divided into two types are there. One is fresh water and ocean water. Okay, and remembering one thing, now. So the especially for fresh water, based upon the stay of water, the fresh water again can be divided into what ma? Lotic and lentic. What is the between lotic and lentic? Come on, tell me anyone. What is the difference between what is the lotic and lentic? What is the difference between lotic and lentic? Come on, tell me anyone.
Reverse.
Hello. Come on, tell me. We are going to see first section A, which are, you must be write two questions compulsory, and section B, two questions will be there. What is ecological pyramid, and write that their types, that is mass, number, and biome, that means weight also, and in detail about solar energy also there. That is you must write the solar energy. What are the information technology, environment, and human health production. Okay, and okay, so what are the cause effects of control measures of the water pollution? Okay, now, so tomorrow don't miss it the class. So this is the important, and one more important, see. Our syllabus, remember one thing, you should see one paper also there, syllabus. Already sent to your syllabus. Okay, this is also our paper, right? See, just yes, it is a model paper now. It is a not model paper. It is a previous model. It is a previous paper. Okay, this is our syllabus. Okay, already sent to syllabus. Okay, 2 units are there, ma. 2 units are there. So today and day after, today and yesterday, we completed scope of this one, and structural ecosystem was completed. And tomorrow, ecological pyramids and pollution. Ecological pyramids will discuss tomorrow, and pollution and renewable and non-renewable resources tomorrow will discuss. Okay, now don't miss it. Don't miss it, ma. So today ecosystem completed. I would like to send PDF also, and tomorrow we'll discussing about water conservation, and that means so pollution. Okay, so the second unit topic. Okay, don't miss it tomorrow. 5 days class I should take classes. Okay, remembering one thing, don't miss it. And those are the peoples are missed. Okay, I would like to upload in YouTube also. Don't bother about that today.